In the deep silence of the jungle, the story of chocolate begins. Hidden under thick shadows, the cacao tree grows like an ancient guardian. Its fruits hang heavy, wrapped in rough shells. Inside them, small seeds wait in darkness, unaware that their journey will soon turn them into something sweet and something cursed. When the pods are cut open, the seeds are exposed to the world. Their pale bodies shine for a moment before the air touches them. A strange smell rises, a mix of earth and bitterness. Workers gather the seeds by hand, knowing that each one holds a secret taste, born from shadows and heat. The seeds are taken to rest under banana leaves. Here begins the first transformation. Fermentation heats them from within, like a slow fire whispering through their core. The seeds change color from white to dark brown, as if night itself is entering their hearts. As the days pass, the seeds release strong smells: acid, fruit, earth. They twist and swell, breaking the last traces of their old form. When the workers turn them with wooden tools, the sound is soft, almost like bones shifting under the weight of time. After fermentation ends, the seeds are spread under the sun. The light is harsh, but it does not scare the darkness growing inside them. They dry slowly, losing water, losing weight, becoming harder. Each seed now hides the future flavor of chocolate, but only after more trials will it be free. When the seeds are fully dry, they are packed and carried to factories across the world. The long journey shakes them, but they remain silent. Their destiny is waiting. A new beginning inside metal machines that never sleep. Machines that crush, burn, and push them past all limits. The seeds arrive at the roasting room, a chamber of controlled fire. Heat rises like a silent monster, touching each seed with careful cruelty. The shells crack. The aroma grows deep and dark, filling the air with a promise of sweetness mixed with the bitterness of their past. After roasting, the seeds are broken open. Their shells fall away like old skin, revealing the nibs inside, small, hard pieces full of hidden power. These nibs are crushed between heavy wheels, turning into a thick, hot liquid called cocoa mass. It flows like molten shadow. The cocoa mass is then pressed. Under massive force, it separates into two parts: cocoa butter, smooth and pale, and cocoa powder, dark as midnight. This moment marks another change, a split between softness and intensity, between light and dark. To make chocolate, cocoa mass is mixed again with sugar and extra cocoa butter. Some recipes add milk, others keep only the pure darkness. The mixture is rough at first, filled with grains and tiny sharp pieces. But with time, everything will melt into harmony. The mixture enters the conching machine, a long metal chamber with heavy rollers. For hours, sometimes days, the chocolate is mixed and warmed. Every spin softens it, removing the harsh edges of taste. Slowly, the liquid becomes silky, smooth, almost alive. Now the chocolate is tempered. This step controls the crystals inside the cocoa butter. It is a dance of heat and cold, repeated until the chocolate shines like dark glass. If done wrong, it breaks. If done right, it becomes strong, glossy, and ready to take shape. The hot chocolate flows into molds, bars, coins, figures, or simple blocks. It cools slowly, filling every corner of its new form. In the silence of the cooling room, the chocolate hardens. It waits, trapped between form and flavor, holding the story of all the steps before. Once solid, the chocolate is wrapped. Thin foil traps its scent and protects its shine. Each piece is now a silent treasure, hiding the long journey from jungle to machine. Few people know the truth of what happened in the shadows to create this simple pleasure. When the chocolate reaches a hand, the journey ends. A bite breaks the silence. Sweetness fills the tongue, but behind it lies the dark path of heat, pressure, time, and transformation. Chocolate is not just a treat. It is the final whisper of a seed that walked through darkness to become delight.